Read it to Mama. What does it say? What else does it say? What else does it say? No, right here on the words. What does it say? Uh-huh. And what else does it say? Mm-hmm. Yeah. What else? You gonna read it to Mama? What does it say, Kitty? Right here. What does that say? What's this part say up here? Oh. What's this say? Ooh. This is a good book.